Review hub. Brand, Liectroux. Weight, 3-6 kg. Battery type, Li-ion. Turbo brush, yes. Dust box capacity, less than 0.5 liter. Filter type, etch. Size, millimeters, 345 by 345 by 97 millimeters. Battery life, 2 hours. Voltage, 14.8 volts. Power, watts, 40 watts. Function, mopping and sweeping and suction type. Brand name, Liectroux. Voltage, 14.8 volts. Cleaning route, plan type. Bag or bagless, bagless. Timing reservation, yes. Special suction nozzle, multifunctional combined brush. Dust storage type, dust box. Installation, robot. Navigation, Lidar plus SLAM, 360-degree swiftly scanning. Map save, save 5 PCS. Cleaning area, about 150 m2. Working time, 2 hours. Water tank, 250 milliliters. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos.